First visit to Portugal, first visit to Vicoustic, of course. I saw the images of the new facilities online, but you get a greater perception when you arrive here. Beautiful offices, beautiful showroom, beautiful tree at the front entrance going through the building, and of course lots of acoustic products throughout the building showing how good they are in a concrete environment. So it changed my perception of acoustic. I got a better understanding of the amount of work that goes into manufacturing the products, the hand craftsmanship, and the level of detail and quality control that go.
It's really impressive to see what you build and how you develop new products. Vicoustic is developing really high-end products for room treatment. You can have acoustic almost everywhere.
It's a must to have acoustics in a room, especially when you have expensive equipment, because without acoustic treatment, it's useless. As we experience today in one of your rooms, you put a really cheap system there with good acoustics, small volume, and it sounds good. While you can put $1 million system there, you take off the acoustics, and it sounds horrible.
Well, I think that people underestimate the value in acoustic treatment. The Vicoustic products clearly give a significant improvement to any workspace.